Yo, Gary of the Hills here, back with another vlog. And we are just outside of Tulsa, here at the ever wondrous Woolaroc. For the first time ever, about to get food at their little cafe here. Got a bison burger, very nice, very nice. Okay, the food from that cafe, legitimately excellent. Like, my gosh, that was good. I think, from what I understood, I think that bison comes from the Woolaroc itself here. Like, it's yeah, it definitely tastes fresh. It tastes amazing. Now, though, it's time for the main reason I'm here at Woolaroc. The museum portion. Oh boy. Looks like there's a lot of work going on in this particular section. My gosh, man. That legitimately might be my favorite attraction out here in Oklahoma. And that's saying a lot considering what it's up against. I've described this place as being like the House in the Rock of Oklahoma. I think maybe an even better description of it for me would be like if you combined Buckhorn Saloon with House in the Rock. I feel like that's a pretty good description of at least this section. I mean, wow. Just wow. You know, I ask myself this question about a lot of Oklahoma attractions. Is this the best attraction ever? Right, now here in Tulsa at the Margaritaville Casino. Just another day wasting away in Margaritaville. So I asked the person who sat me if, this was gonna go off here soon. She said, we can make it go off, and apparently here in a bit, it's about to go off. This is about to be crazy, ain't it? Also, I know exactly what I want to get here. Key lime pie, yes, very good. Agony, they just told me they're out of key lime pie. Alright, backup plan. Last mango in Paris looks to be the move. They just told me they're about to set it off, so I'm just sitting here waiting. In anticipation. There we go, last mango in Paris, and let me tell you, that looks pretty dang good. So I was just told when the blender is completely empty, that is when the volcano is gonna blow. The views of the river from this Margaritaville location are just gorgeous. Shame that the patio is not open though, yeah. Uh-oh, blender's empty. That means the volcano's probably about to go off. Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh no. Oh shoot. Here we go. Jimmy Buffett is warning us. Uh-oh, this is bad. Oh my gosh, there's lava. Look at that. Oh no. Why is there blue magma running down this volcano? What's that about, huh? Uh-oh. Oh no, this is bad. Uh-oh. Yep, now things are getting real. Oh my goodness, water is running down the volcano into the blender. Oh my gosh. What? Yeah, I think we have, Jimmy. Spotlight. Whoa, dude. And look at that. The blender's almost full again. Magma now looks to be a combination of red magma and green magma. Is it magma? Lava is the same thing? I don't know, man. Okay, I don't know. I'm not book smart, okay? Too bad. Thank you, Jimmy. Now the blender's now all the way full. Isn't that nice? Look at that, it's like blending up stuff as we speak. Whoa. This place is just so epic. I mean, right above the boat here is, I believe, Buffett's plane, if I'm not mistaken. Hey, good news, I found a shirt that was within my price range in the gift shop. Yes, very, very exciting. While I wait to get off this buzz that I'm kind of experiencing right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and like wander around the resort a little bit. Because I'm not, listen, we don't drive buzz. No, that's not what we do. Oh, by the way, that like last mango in Paris was actually like really, really good. I'd still rather have like one of the key lime pies, but yeah, that was pretty good alternative actually. 5 o'clock somewhere bar, how exciting. Oh my gosh, there it is, the 5 o'clock somewhere bar. Right next to the bar here is this epic stage. Like, let me tell you, man, can I get like Epic or someone to play here, please? The casino outside the 5 o'clock somewhere bar is pretty cool looking. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Gosh, look at the views from this area. Like, my goodness gracious, heck yeah, man. Gosh, this hotel is really just so cool. Like, I'd like to stay here at some point for sure. All right, I am now ready to head out. Quite a departure from the Margaritaville Casino. Now we are at a Christian university, here to hopefully go up that weird tower over there. It's called Prayer Tower. I have tried like twice, maybe even 3 times. No success, but maybe today is the day. Never mind, apparently you used to be able to just walk right up to it from here. Apparently now it's like blocked off by a gate, and I don't feel like checking in at security. Like, come on, man, it's too much of a pain. I'm out. I guess I may never experience the glory that is Prayer Tower. What a shame. Alright, one last stop before leaving good old Oklahoma. The Will Rogers Archway. Gosh darn it. Subway in here didn't have any foot-long cookies. Literally the only thing I wanted from anywhere in here. Oh, jeez.